Kids, look at this colorful bird. It can talk like humans sometimes. What bird is this? Parrot. Now, guess the bird. This bird is very big and cannot fly. It runs very fast in the desert. Ostrich. This bird is the national bird of India. It has beautiful blue and green feathers. Peacock. This small bird sings sweet songs and often sits on trees. Sparrow. This bird can swim in water and says quack quack. Duck. This bird wakes us up in the morning and says cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. This bird cannot fly and lives in very cold places like Antarctica. Penguin. This bird has very big eyes and comes out mostly at night. Owl. This bird is black and says caw, caw. Crow. This bird is white and is a symbol of peace. Dove.